Hey everyone, Chef Dan here. It's the new year. It's time for fresh starts and smart habits. And what better way to start those smart habits than using the SmartHQ technology from Monogram and GE appliances. And that's what we're going to do today. We're going to roast some salmon with some potatoes and some broccolini, so follow along. With SmartHQ, I can browse healthy, chef-inspired recipes, sending these straight to my Monogram oven, and I can even schedule the cooking time so dinner's ready when I am. It's smart cooking that works around your life, not the other way around. With the SmartHQ app, I can monitor and cook remotely, whether I'm wrapping up at work or out for a walk. The app keeps me connected so healthy eating actually fits into my day and schedule. With Monogram's built-in precision, you can use your app to control your oven with perfect results. A lot less work, it's going to cook it exactly how you want it, and you're going to have a beautiful meal ready for you that's healthy and ready to go. This year, make your resolutions stick. Let Monogram and its HQ app help keep you on track and make delicious meals just like this. Thanks so much and have a great day.